Hello peachies, welcome back to Dear Peachie. Have you been scrolling through TikTok for makeup inspo and noticed the Douyin makeup trend that's been taking the platform by storm? Well, today we're excited to introduce you to the latest makeup look that everyone in TikTok is talking about. The Douyin sparkly eyes look is all about adding some glitz and glam to your eye makeup, using glitter and shimmer to create a dazzling effect. Whether you're going out for a night on the town, or just want to add some fun and festive flair to your look, the Douyin sparkly eyes look is the perfect way to make a statement and show off your personality. Today we have found a newly rise beauty guru on XiaoHongShu, named Yue Liang, or in direct translation, Moon, to show you how to flaunt your beautiful eyes with the right technique. So, let's get started. First, Moon effortlessly applies an even layer of foundation onto her skin using a flat foundation brush. The foundation is only applied to the center of her face, such as cheeks, forehead and chin. She seamlessly blends it using a wet cushion sponge for a natural-looking base. Concealer with lighter shade is applied to the under eyes and mouth corners to neutralize the discoloration. Moon blends out the concealer using a concealer buffer brush. Then, Moon sets the base using a loose finishing powder. For brows, Moon fills in the sparse areas according to her actual brow shape. Remember, the eyebrow is filled in darker at the brow tail, but lighter at the brow front. Enhance your nose shape by contouring from the groove in your eye socket and gently blending towards the tip of your nose. Avoid extending the contour to your brow area, as this can create an unnatural and harsh effect. Flatten your brush to trace a horizontal shadow at your nose tip to create that pointy nose look. For eyes, she is using the perfect Diary Lucky Rabbit eyeshadow palette. With a gentle hand, Moon sweeps the almond beige shade across both her upper and lower eyelids, creating a smooth and even base color. Next, the bright pink shade is layered along the lower lash line to widen the eyes. The inner corner and egg yolk cell is then brightened up with a pinkish shimmery shade. Finally, Moon takes the glittery gold shade to make her eyes pop. Using a flat definer brush, she traces a curved line along her crease. Extend a fine liner from the outer corner to elongate the eye shape. Try using a brown liner that harmonizes beautifully with the color tones. Don't forget to put on your falsies and trace out the fake lower lashes to further widen the eyes. Moon uses the almond beige eyeshadow from her palette as a blush. With a gentle sweep, she applies it to the apples of her cheeks. She reminds to be careful not to extend it beyond the level of the outer corner of your eyes. For an added pop of radiance, she also dusts some along the tip and bridge of her nose. As a pro tip for achieving a flawless pout, she first dabs a bit of concealer onto her lips to lighten their natural color. Once prepped, she applies a cherry pink lip matte to add a stunning pop of color that perfectly complements the overall look. Moon has completely nailed the latest trend with her pink sparkly eye look. From the soft pink eyeshadow to the shimmering glitter accents, this look is all about channeling your ingenuine cuteness and standing out from the crowd. And let's not forget about the expert application by Moon, who has flawlessly executed every detail to create this stunning look. Would you try this makeup look on yourself? Let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.